These are trade signals I sent to my Discord group tonight. Down here is the free section. These guys get daily trade signals as well. Now you're free to join us, the link's below. If you're a serious trader and you're looking for advanced trading tutorials and our VIP trade signals like these, join VIP, go to my website, and you can gain access from $14.95 a month. This is one of our signals tonight. How did we take this trade? First up, that was our signal that brought us into the chart. I'm waiting for the pullback retest of this range. We get it over here. We also get this signal telling us the market's overextended. We've got yellow line telling us it's a daily resistance level, orange telling us it's a weekly, multi-time frame indicator telling us it's bearish on the higher time frames. Take the trade. Guys, join us. All the information, links to Discord, my YouTube channel, everything's on my website, tradingwithanthony.com. I look forward to seeing you in Discord.